Hey guys, welcome to HNS Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Twitch account permanently. Now, I've seen a lot of tutorials where people show you how to disable the account but not delete it permanently. Deleting means that it will remove your data from Twitch as well. So I'm about to show you how you can delete that permanently instead of disabling it. So all you need to do is to go to this link over here, which is twitch.tv/user/delete account, and that will take you to this page over here where it says delete account. Before you open this link, just make sure you're logged in on your Twitch. Otherwise, it will ask you to log in first. So as you can see here, are you sure you would like to delete your Twitch account? This will permanently erase all your content and personal information, and you will no longer be able to claim your user ID. So this will delete your account. So make sure you click on the delete account button if you really want to get rid of the Twitch account. Alternatively, if you just want to disable it temporarily for a while, then you can go to this other link. I'll leave these two links in the description as well, so you can go directly to these links from there. If you want to disable it for temporarily, then you can go to this link and this will disable it temporarily, and if you want to reactivate it, you can always reactivate it as well. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get notified for any upcoming videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.